The inner path to wealth. Wealth comes from within. True abundance starts with your inner state. Cultivate a mindset of abundance by focusing on gratitude and recognizing the wealth opportunities and resources already present in your life. Change your relationship with money. Shift from seeing money as a scarce resource to understanding it as an abundant flow by changing your relationship with money and viewing it as a tool to bring more good into the world. You attract more of it into your life. Practice detachment. While it's important to pursue success and wealth, detach from the need to have it. Let go of obsessive attachment to outcomes and trust that what you need will come at the right time through the right channels. Focus on generosity. Abundance grows through giving. When you give freely, whether it's time, resources, or energy, you open yourself to receiving more. The act of giving expands the flow of wealth and prosperity in your life. Trust the universe timing. Be patient and trust the process. Abundance comes not by force, but by alignment with the flow of life. Trust that everything happens in its own time, and by staying aligned with the flow, opportunities will arise. Develop a prosperity consciousness. Shift your focus from lack and scarcity to abundance. Affirmations, positive thinking, and the belief that there is always more than enough will help you attract wealth, health, and happiness. Cultivate gratitude. Gratitude is a powerful tool for manifesting abundance. Appreciate what you have in your life right now and express gratitude daily. This shifts your energy to one of positivity and attracts more blessings. Live with intention. Abundance comes to those who live with purpose and intention. Clarify your goals. Be intentional about the action you take and focus on what truly matters to you. Let your desires be aligned with your higher self. Practice self-love and self-worth. Your ability to receive abundance is tied to your belief in your own worth. When you love and value yourself, you open the door for more wealth to enter your life. You are deserving of all the good that comes in your way. Balance material and spiritual wealth. True abundance is a balance of both material success and spiritual fulfillment. Focus on creating wealth that aligns with your higher purpose, what that brings you joy and helps uplift others in the process. By implementing these principles, you create a life of true abundance, where wealth is not only measured in material terms, but also in health, relationships, and overall well being. Please like and subscribe and share to help others. Thank you.